In this video, we will learn how to use the page header component for the Visualforce page. I'm going to use the page we created in the last video, so I'm going to navigate to the Modify tab and select the page, and which I appropriately named Account Page. Select the page and click Continue. Now you would be brought back into the Builder canvas area. As you notice, in the last video we have added the library and we also have given it a ID of lib. You still see it there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a form to the page and of course the page header. If you have a requirement to add, you can also include external JavaScripts that your page might be depending upon, as well external style sheets as well. So in this case I'm not adding scripts or style sheets, so I'm directly skipping to form. So in this case I'm going to drag and drop my form onto the canvas. Of course I see form related properties here. I'm going to leave them as default. My interest here is page header. So the page header gives you a way to display the page header with a title, subtitle, and of course a set of actions and the object level summary fields. Let's go ahead and drag and drop. A lot of times you might be getting a question or a confusion saying where can you drag and drop. To understand more about any component, just click on the component. It gives you a meaningful description and of course where you can drop that specific component. In this case I can drop the page header component into a form. That's why I just added the form. So let's drag the page header and drop into the form. Once the page header is created, you'll see three segments in the page header. One is the title and the subtitle area, and there is a area that is marked for the page level actions, and of course there is an area designated for page level summary fields. Let's start entering it up. On the title field I'm going to call this demo page. As far as the subtitle goes, I'm going to call it ABCD Builder. And of course, if you have any rendering capabilities, you can schedule it. Then let's go to the field segment. This is where you will drag and drop the fields that you want to display in the page header. So as I'm building an account, I'm interested to know at the top what is my account name, what is my account number, what is my account rating, account type, and of course maybe the phone number or industry. So I'm interested to know 5 things about my specific account at the page level. Once you have added, you have the freedom to rearrange your columns as you see fit. My interest is, I want to put the account name, account type, rating, industry, and of course account number as the last. Then I'm going to add my page header level actions. To do that, I'm going to drag and drop my actions bar component into the segment for actions. Once I drag and drop, I get the properties panel. I'm not interested in the properties here, rather I'm interested in the buttons. I'm going to add a quick save, a save, a cancel, edit, and delete. I'm going to add all of them. Another interesting thing you can do is you can also identify the buttons of significance through different colors. For example, when it comes to quick save, I'm going to click the settings and I want to make it a branded button that will show in a blue color. You will see it in a minute. And of course when it comes to delete, I want to tell people, hey, it's a destructive kind of an operation. I'm going to qualify the type or the style to be destructive. Let's go ahead, save the page now, and I'm going to go back and refresh my preview screen here. So once I do that, you will notice that a new page header field is added, and of course I see the quick save in blue on the other buttons as well. But surprisingly, I don't see any field values yet. That is because we have not supplied a context to the Visualforce page. One simple way to do that is navigate to any valid account in your system, copy the ID part of it, then supply that ID through a question mark ID equals to At this point, Visualforce knows the context object, in this case that happens to be United Oil Gas Corporation, and displays all the appropriate fields in the header. And of course the button, as you notice, delete is now given a different color, quick save is given a different color, and of course save, edit and cancel. So this completes how you can use a page header component in Visualforce using ABCD. Thank you.